Pip install access denied on Windows. I am trying to run pip install mitten proxy on Windows, but I keep getting access denied, even with CMD and PowerShell using the run as administrator option. How can I make this work?
For Windows, in command prompt, admin, try to run pip install using the Python executable. This should work, at least it worked for me for other package installation.
Change your Python installation folder security permissions by open a Python shell, go to Task Manager, find the Python process, right-click and open location. The folder will open in Explorer. Go up a directory, right-click the folder and select Properties, click the Security tab and hit Edit, add everyone and give them permission to read and write. Save your changes. If you open CMD as admin, then you can do the following. If Python is set in your path, then
Personally, I found that by opening CMD as admin and run Python m pip installment proxy seems to fix my problem. Note I install Python through Chocolatey.
One additional thing that has not been covered in previous answers, and that often cause issues on Windows and stopped me from installing some package despite running as admin, is that you get the same permission denied error if there is another program that use some of the files you, or pip install, try to access. This is a really stupid feature of Windows that pops up many times, e.g. when trying to move some files. In addition, I have no clue how to figure out which program locks a particular file, so the easiest thing to do is to reboot and do the installation before starting anything, in particular before running e.g. Spider or any other Python-based software. You can also try to close all programs, but it can be tricky to know which one actually holds a file. For a directory, for example, it is enough that you have an Explorer window open at that directory.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.